Hi everyone. We're working on a project today that'll help us think about summer and your hopes and dreams for the summer. So what kind of things would you love to do this summer? I've been thinking a lot about what I want to do this summer. Some of the things I want to do are I want to go paddle boarding. I can't wait for the lake to warm up enough so that I can go swimming. I want to go for lots of boat rides. There's a hiking trail by my house that hikes up to the top of a ridge, and the last few times that I've gone, there's still been snow, so I haven't been able to make it all the way to the top. So I would like to be able to hike all the way to the top of that peak. I've never been to the top. I want to see what's there. Those are some of the things I hope to do this summer. What do you hope to do? Oh, also, I have a list of books that I've been wanting to read and I just haven't had the time. So hopefully this summer I will have time to read those. Today we're going to do a project where you'll get to record some of the things that you hope to do this summer. It's nice to actually go through the process of recording those hopes and dreams so then you don't forget them. And it's sometimes easy to forget things, right? You know me, I forget a lot. So if we record those things, then we can remember them and hopefully really help them to come true. This is kind of a fun project. It's a little bit tricky to make the beginning piece. So there's one in the newsletter that you can just print out. You can print out a template if you want to, or you can make one if you're up for a challenge. Let me show you how we'll make this. So the first thing you'll need is a piece of paper. Okay? You can see mine's already got fold lines, but don't worry about that because yours will have it soon too. So first thing we're going to do is fold it in half, hamburger style. So short edge to short edge. You want to put a crease there. Okay. And then you can see that's up here. We did short edge to short edge like this. And then you want to fold the top down. I said fold your paper into fourths. Okay. And then this is what you have. Then you're going to turn your paper. So these are my open sides are on the top and this side here. The folds are here and here. Okay? You're going to take this corner down here and you're going to fold it all the way up until it matches with this side up here. And then crease it again. So it should look like this. You can pause me in between these steps, okay? So that you can work on it. So then it looks like this. And you can see, look, it opens up like this and it goes like that. And there's a point here. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is kind of make a curve that starts over here on the fold, goes around and ends over on this fold. So let me draw one on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Kind of like that. See, my curve starts over here on this line and it curves up. It's just kind of like a funny looking rainbow from over here to over there. Okay? Whoop. And my funny rainbow. Here comes the cool part really soon. So we're going to cut out along the rainbow. My funny rainbow. You can make yours look more like a rainbow if you want to. Mine got a little funny there. But however you make it will be fine. And then you open it up. What shape is that? It's a heart. It's a heart because there's so many things in my heart that I want to do this summer. So many things that I love and hope to do. You can open it up more. It's still a heart. And open it up again. Look at this. It's all these hearts put together. Now, do you see how the paper is folded? See the fold lines have kind of divided this into sections, right? Let's count and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 sections on my paper. So I'm going to use a whiteboard here. I'm going to stick this to my whiteboard. Okay? You can see that there are 8 sections. Now, on those different sections, there's 8 places I want you to record things that you hope to do this summer. One thing, I can think of one thing right away, and I already told you some, but I didn't say this one. And think about what colors you want to use. I just had this blue marker near me, so I'm using it, but you can use other colors. Let me draw this picture and I'll show you and see if you can figure out what it is. What is that? Ice cream. There's an ice cream store downtown that has the best ice cream. And I'm really hoping to get there and to get an ice cream cone. Their vanilla ice cream is the absolute best. Okay, so that's one thing. Another thing I said that I hope that I get to go paddleboarding. I'm going to try and draw my best picture of my paddleboard on here. My long paddle. There. Hope to go paddleboarding. Oh, and I hope to hike up to the top of that ridge by my house. I'm going to draw the hiking trail. Okay. So those are some ideas that I have. So, and I see how I drew one in each part of those hearts. That's the hiking trail. It's a little bit silly looking. But anyways, that is it. So I want you to think about what kinds of things you hope to do this summer. There's so many wonderful things that you can do in nature or outside or inside with your family. Maybe there's a board game that you've been hoping to play. Maybe there's a special book you've been hoping that you can read with a family member. These can be big things, like you hope to go to the beach. They can be little things, like I hope to learn how to make pancakes this summer. Okay, so think about what it is that you hope to do. So I want you to come up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things that you hope to do this summer. Draw pictures of them around your heart. If you can't think of 8 right now, go ahead and do what you can think of. Save this. You can come back to it and add them at any time. Okay, you can either follow these instructions to make one of these, or you can print out the template that's in the newsletter, and that'll have lines and everything for you just to cut it out and fold it up. Okay, so you can make a choice there. It's pretty fun to make. Okay, so think about that. Think about what you would love to do this summer, and go ahead and record those. See you later.